Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys!
In here I want to tell our experiment about law of Archimidhes. I want to introduce myself. My name is Mami Kurbawati and my partner.
My name is Abdullah Sanadiro.
And my name is Cindy Amelia Fitri. Stay tuned my video.
Archimidhes' law states and follows. An object that is partially completed immersed into a liquid will experience an upward force equal to the weight of the liquid is transferred. An object that sinks completely or partially in a fluid will get a lift of which is equal to the weight of the displacement. The magnitude of the upward force according to Archimedes' law is written in the equation for
Tool and material is Archimedes' law. Tool 1 glass, 2 sponge, and material 1 egg, 2 water, and 3 salt. Work production 1. Prepare the tool and material needed to produce the experiment. Glass is within water, not to fall, so that when entering the egg the water does not spill and is covered with tissue, so it don't wet the floor. And 3. The eggs are first put in a glass filled with water without its mixture of salt, then observe what happens. After that, put 1 tablespoon of salt in the glass and stir until evenly distributed. And another spoonful of salt and stir it slowly until evenly distributed. Do so until you get the egg according to what you need and want. And record the result of the observation that has been made and make observation table to make it easy to understand. After practicum, clean the step, tool and material of the lab.
Glass 1 sinking. An object dipped in a liquid will sink if the weight of the object is greater than the upward force. When the egg is put in water without salt, the egg will sink because of the mass. The type of egg is greater than the density of water, then the water is given 1 tablespoon of salt and stirred. Slowly, the eggs are still sinking because the density of the eggs is still greater than that. Goes to density of water. An object dipped in a liquid will float if the weight of the object is equal to the upward force or the object is in equilibrium. When the water is given 2 tablespoons of salt and stirred slowly, then the eggs will be in a floating state. This happens because the density of water is the same as the density of the egg. Salt here functions to enlarge the density of water. Verse 3. Floating. An object given in a liquid will float if the weight of the object is smaller than the upward force. When water is given 3/4 tablespoons of salt and stirred slowly, that the eggs will float because the density of water is greater than the density of the eggs. This happens because the more salt is given, the greater the density of the liquid or water.
Okay guys, in the last hour video, I want to tell you about our conclusion with our experiment.
The first sinking object due to the X density greater than density of water.
Drift object due to a density equal density of water. And 3. Floating object due to a density smaller than density of water.
Plus, subfunction to enhance the density of water, so the more salt is given, the greater the density of the water. Okay guys, see you next time.
Thank you for watching.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.